Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is June the 20th and I'm using my Master Scalper trading system. This system has the Master Scalper, that's this moving average that changes from blue to red, and of course it has the arrows here, the super signal indicator. Now they'll give an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting to buy or sell. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer, right where this vertical line is. I'm looking at the different instruments as you see down here at the bottom. And of course, I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. And of course, after I check out all the different charts, I'll manually put in this white arrow just to remind me that this instrument I want to be buying or selling. And on this pound Aussie, it is selling. And also, another thing that I highly recommend that you get your hands on is this fib tool. Works fantastic. Just click on this link right here. And you'll go from swing high to swing low. Then you get the pullback. And away it goes. Now if it hits one of the entry points here, it'll usually, not all the time, but usually hit at least minimum 2, 3, 4, 5. And on many days, it can go all the way down to 10. And it's not even 9:30 in the morning. I am done trading for the day, and this can easily hook around and keep going down and hit more targets. Of course, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool or my daily trade plan, let's take a look at that. Here we go. On the daily trade plan, it's an expert advisor. This is running in real time. And as the time carries on, it can change from look for bullish trades to bearish trades. Some of them can be preferred. And every once in a while, it'll just be a little bit flat. So, same as my fib tool. If you have any questions, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And all my contact information is right below this video. So let's run a check on these trades. On this first one, the pound Aussie, just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. When you're selling, this little cursor will be red. And it is red. That's where I got in, and this is where I got out. Now I obviously should have got out over here, but it's really hard when you're running a few trades, plus you have distractions around the house. So I took the trade at this cursor, and when I closed out the trades, I knew I had well over 200 pips and or ticks. So at that point, I just close out the trades. And on this trade, looks like I locked in 10 pips, paying out $66. And this fib tool works great. And the main reason for that is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Now, if you have any questions about this fib tool, again, just get in contact with me. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the $CAD. Another one, I sold it. Here's another one I can show you again with the fib tool. Just click on this link right here. Go from high to swing pivot low. There's your pullback. Hit entry 3 right here. And if it hits any of the entries, well, again, same thing you're looking for. Hitting target 2, 3, 4, 5, and this can easily just keep working its way down. So let's see where I got in this trade at. took the trade actually this well, the pullback is from here to here, but anyhow, took it at this cursor. I knew that there was a chance it could go back up. Didn't bother me. But I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy with looks like 9 pips, paying out $72. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD. Okay, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. There's your pullback right here. Everything looking good. Daily trade plan said to sell. So, took the trade, knowing it's going to go down with approximately a 95% certainty. And away it went. Paying looks like 17 pips, and that paid out $124. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Now, crude oil pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks on the futures. So, looking at the money, easy to see this should be 24. So, let's drag this up, see where I got in at. Got in at this point right here. If I was in the trade, I'd be up a lot more. But I was happy with the 24. Let's see what it did go up. Grand total of around 56. But I was happy with this 24. There it is right there. 24 ticks paying out $240. And I can show you that fib tool again. It works many times throughout the day. Click on this tab, swing low to swing high. There's your pullback. Actually getting in right here would have been pretty near perfect. And then, of course, at that point, you're aiming for minimum at least 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this day, it hit target number 6. And, of course, it can still keep going all the way up to 10 and the ADR high. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. Here we go. Now, on this particular day, right at this point up here, obviously the daily trade plan's not going to be saying selling. And that's because I sold it. And if you want to know how to trade this way, I have a video called How to Trade Pullbacks. That's exactly what I did here. Now I'm going to drop it down to the 5 minutes to try to get a reading. And same situation. The pullback. So I took the trade here. Now we had the scalper was red. I put in the arrow here, just not based on the daily trade plan, but based on chart reading, knowing that it can do a pullback. And looks like I got out pretty near the bottom down here. It looks like it's working its way back up, which is tradable, by the way. And so now on this DAX 30, it does pay $3.75 for each tick. Took the money, divided by that. Calculator says it should be 545 approximately. So let's go and see. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, looking for those 545, and that's as close as I'm going to be able to get. Calculator actually says 544.8. So I just rounded it up to 545, and all of those ticks paid out $2,043. So another great day of trading using my master scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200. Grand total for today came out to 605 pips and ticks. They were mostly ticks, complements of this DAX 30. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,547. So if your system's not producing like my master scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions, well, quite simple, just get in contact with me. And to do so, all you got to do is look right below this video in the description, you'll see a banner and the word more. Just click on it. It'll open up another window, at which point you'll be able to get my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me. And in almost 20 years of trading, I found it very difficult to find the person, like the person who's selling the system. They don't want to talk to you. And so I don't mind, as I know without some kind of support, you're still going to struggle to succeed at trading. Please look at all the information at the bottom as I tell you the 5 most important things that you're going to need to succeed, and a bunch of other information. Now what you can do is, if you can't call me directly, well, send me an email. And I've been informed that my Skype link below here, and Skype is working on it. There's a glitch in the system. But all you got to do is go on Skype, and you can search either by my name. Keep in mind I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. So either by name, by email, and my Skype name is actually Forex, F-O-R-E-X, _ Nelson, N-E-L-S-O-N. So it's quite easy to find me on Skype. Now through Skype, we'll be able to chat live, and I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. Recommend you get at least 3 or 4 of them, as you will need a lot of education to succeed. So, made a special offer. If you buy any of the 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So, and also, if you give me your full name and your email address, I'll put you on my email list for free trading tips, and I pass that out every week. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.